It is cold season again. I'll be showing you how to build up your immunity so that your body can fight cold and flu. So welcome back to Iphy's kitchen. I'll be showing you an effective radish ginger remedy to stop cold, flu and sore throat. So stay tuned. So to make this remedy, I'm making use of red onion. So I'm going to grate the onion with my grater. You can decide to cut it into smaller pieces or use your food processor. Onion contains vitamin C, which will help our body to fight cold, flu and cough. So I'm also going to be making use of fresh ginger. Ginger will help to aid digestion and also help to remove any toxin from the body. Another wonderful ingredient I'll be using is turmeric. You can decide to use turmeric powder, but I'll be using fresh turmeric. Turmeric contains some antibacterial, antioxidant properties which will help our body to help to flush out any particles that clog the respiratory tract. I'll be making use of 2 cloves of ginger. Ginger contains sulfur which will help our body to absorb zinc, which is an immune booster. So I'll be making use of radish. I have about 7 pieces of radish. Radish contains some important nutrients. It will help to eliminate mucus from the body. Radish contains vitamin C, which will help to boost our immunity. So I'm going to add all the ingredients into a food processor so that I can machine it. I want all the ingredients to quickly release their juice. So for this remedy, you don't need to add water. So I'm going to be making use of 3 lemons. I'm going to squeeze to get the lemon juice. Lemon contains a good amount of vitamin C. It will help to improve digestion and help the body to turn up iron. So when I'm done squeezing the lemon juice, I'm going to add the lemon into the food processor. So when I'm done crushing all the ingredients, I'm going to add them into a clean jar. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of honey, then mix it properly to combine. Honey is another wonderful ingredient because it contains antioxidants and antibacterial property which will help to fight virus and also for treating cold. So I will cover the jar and leave it to sit in the fridge. The next day you can start to use it, or you can leave it for about 2 days before you use it. So I'll be showing you how to use this remedy. If you want to use this remedy to boost your immune system or to fight cold, just add a tablespoon into a cup, add warm water, add a pinch of black pepper. So adding black pepper to this will help to increase curcumin absorption. You can decide to drink this in the morning or after meal in the morning. This will help to flush out any particles that clog the respiratory tract and also help to remove mucus buildup in the system. Please, I would like to read your comments if you try this remedy, and thank you all for watching.